In this video we are going to use more precise vocabulary to make our writing more interesting. Keep watching to see and to enjoy more of our vocabulary building videos. Subscribe and like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, so that you don't miss any of our future videos. We're going to use this piece of writing to enhance this vocabulary. The well-dressed teacher walked into the room through the brown double doors. Instead of saying the well-dressed teacher, you could say, the stylish or dapper or even spruce and elegant teacher. Or the well-turned-out or the immaculately attired teacher. Instead of walked, you could use trotted, bounced, strode, strolled, trudged, ambled, or marched. And instead of the brown double doors, you could say, the colossal, stainless steel double doors. Or you could even say, the vast, oak, paneled double doors. With a few changes to some of the words, this piece of writing could look something like this. The immaculately attired teacher bounced into the room through the vast, oak, paneled double doors.
Follow and like for more videos like this. Here are some activity ideas. Rows of pronouns in this sentence. Did you know you could do this? Students writing. Follow and like. Let's write. And a noun. What is an expanded noun?